Hello friends, how are you once again? Welcome to another refrigeration HVAC red seal practice questions. It's now multiple choice set 29, starting with number 1. Increasing the suction pressure and reducing discharge pressure will blank the centrifugal compressor's capacity. A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. Maintain, D. Not affect. Correct answer is A. Increase. Number 2. The blank the compression ratio, the more efficient the compressor will be. A. Higher, B. Lower, C. Unaffected, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Lower compression ratio. Number 3. System with excessive oil will have a saturated oil indicator colored A. Gray, B. Red, C. Green, or D. Brown. Correct answer is D. Brown. Number 4. Excessive pressure drop in liquid line will result in flashing and partial blank. A. Fusion, B. Compression, C. Vaporization, D. Condensation. Correct answer is C. Vaporization. Number 5. Number 5. Under normal running conditions, the refrigerant holding capacity of accumulator is A. 65%, B. 80%, C. 75%, or D. 85%. Correct answer is A. 65%. 6. This type of compressor is most efficient on refrigerants with high molecular weight and high specific volume. A. Reciprocating, B. Scroll, C. Rotary, or D. Centrifugal. Correct answer is D. Centrifugal. Number 7. A fuse is used for A. Testing the circuit, B. Short circuit protection, C. Preventing open circuit, D. Preventing smoke. Correct answer is B. Short circuit protection. Number 8. As the number of poles in a motor increases, its speed A. decreases, B. remains unchanged, C. increases, or D. none of the above. Correct answer is A. decreases. Number 9. Which tubings should not be used in an ammonia system? A. Zinc, B. Brass, C. Copper, D. all of the above. Correct answer is D. all of the above. Last question, number 10. A blank opposes any change in circuit voltage. A. Resistor, B. Diode, C. Capacitor, D. Semiconductor. Correct answer is C. Capacitor. Okay, hope you learned something from this multiple choice set. See you again in the next video, and cheers, happy reviewing, have a good one.